For our Pogonip adventure, we rode out of camp and through town. On the way, there were some shenanigans.
Hi, David. What do you call a wizard that's good at ceramics? Harry Pottery!
From now on, if you take my picture, though, Megan, I won't be walking away and kind of looking down.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Oh, I dropped my sandwich.
Oh, that's so good. Ready? This is fun.
Hey, you have some good?
It's pretty good right now.
Listen to this crunch. Yeah, I drank 2 liters in the first hour.
We succeeded in making our way out of the city and into the oaks and redwoods for a sinuous ride on challenging and exciting single track, climbing the forested hills behind the university.
Oh yeah. So beautiful.
So much fun.
So fun.
Doing great. You're doing great. Watch out for the Ewoks.
Entering the sunshine again, we traced a long, arcing route across the highlands, with an occasional stop for vital items.
This is my booster.
Turbo. Hey, you guys are dropping your business. Don't be littering. Use your hand.
You just got to the top of Pogonip. How are you feeling?
Good. It was fun. Super fun.
You just made it a Pogonip. How do you feel?
Right now.
Always bring extra breakfast.
And your sandwich. Tell me about that.
Turkey.
You call me a turkey!
Stopping.
The trail wound back and forth down the bluffs, finally reaching the ocean, where we briefly retraced part of our Wilder Ranch route before ending at Natural Bridge State Park and shuttling back to camp.
Johnny Jack, close the curtains. That thing's making nervous. I don't know.
But wait. Remember this guy? This is Connor.
Yeah, I ran over a rock, and it might have popped my tire. Just a little.
What happens when you get a flat or experience some other form of mechanical malfeasance on an expedition? You can try and fix it yourself, but chances are excellent that an SBMS bike mechanic will be nearby and spring into action to help. Trained by Jesse Kay and Bruce, these students go beyond the call of duty to fix a flat, replace a chain, tighten some brakes, reattach a bike rack, or just share some snacks. The bike mechanics lead from behind, TM, and the biking expeditions couldn't happen without them. Thank you, bike mechanics.
Boom.
Really? Alright.
Drop it in and peel out.
Oh yeah, it's so sick.